Hey everyone, Omar Butt here. So today I'm going to show you 4 secret PC tricks that will completely change how you work and save you a ton of time. So these 4 tricks are incredible and professional. So let's start. So first up, if you ever need to capture an entire scrolling web page, as you can see this one that I have opened, like Wikipedia Ramadan page, and you can see a lot of information here. So sometimes people like press print screen on keyboard and they capture one by one, like first this thing, then this. So instead of this, just press F12 on your keyboard and you can see that this developer, this will open elements, and here you can now type Control Shift P and you can run command here. So you can search here like screenshot, so you can capture area screenshot, but here we are going to discuss about capture full size screenshot. So we can click on capture full screenshot and you can see it will save, and entire thing now we can see in one screenshot. See, and this screenshot is also like HD, so you can see everything. So now see, this is an image, the screenshot has been done. So this is the first trick that I shared. Second, for example, if you have opened a lot of things and you want to minimize all of them, trick number 2, this is a lifesaver for a cluttered screen, like whenever you need to see your desktop instantly. So just press the Windows key plus D. Windows key you can find in between Alt and Control key, and you can press D. So Windows plus D, everything you can see now down. So this is an incredible option, like you can see. So this is the second option, second trick. And then next, if you want to see like what programs in your computer now they need some upgrade, so let me show you. You can use here, go to CMD, so you can command prompt, you can run as administrator, and here you can type, for example, this one, open CMD, and here you can type winget upgrade. So you can see here the list of the applications. First time it will ask you like yes or no, so you will type yes, and then you can see. Now see, like WinRAR 7.13 version, this but available is 7.20.0. Same thing you can see here, like Google Chrome, it is 145.0.7632.109 and available is .110. So every, you can see like CapCut also has a new version available. So instead of doing like one by one, you can use this trick and you can save a lot of time. So you can type here winget upgrade -all, and you can just press enter and it will upgrade all of them. See, just with a one click. And this is also an incredible. Finally, if you need to start writing right away, just type word.new. Even right now, you can see the MS Office Word straight into your browser address bar to instantly launch a fresh Microsoft Word document. So Microsoft Word document will start in your browser, so you can type word.new in your browser and it is opening. We can refresh, no worries, and see it has been opened. So you can see I have explained 4 incredible tricks, PC tricks you can use in your laptop and in your desktop computer. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 4 tricks is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. And would you like some suggestions? You can recommend You can tell me in your comments. Just submit your comment. If you need any type of tutorial videos, I will upload. Press the bell icon, and so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.